don't usually start Monday morning in the NPR, that's Friday morning. So people might be wondering, what are we doing here? Anybody else wondering that? Yeah, well, when something exciting happens, we can't just let it pass us by. And Miss Greenstadt this morning was watching the news, and she saw a really interesting special that is kind of meant for teachers. The news is not on TV for kids, but we thought that this was pretty interesting, that we would find it on the internet and watch it together so that we can just talk about it. Are you guys ready to just watch a video and have a discussion about it? Okay, great. So, what I want you to do while we're watching is just keep thinking about what could we say about this afterwards? What is this about? And what are your thoughts about it? Okay? So, just give you a chance to look at, before this starts, just what it says here. Okay. What do you guys think this is going to be about? Anybody have an idea? Before the video starts, just based on the newspaper here? Yeah, all the way in the back. Thanks for volunteering.
About massive land headed for the coast.
Yeah, massive land headed for the coast. And what is that? What is a massive land? Yeah, Parker. Yeah, it's like an island. So if there's an island that's moving towards California, that's pretty exciting, isn't it? Yeah, so the person that we're going to hear from, oh, I'm so glad that you know him just by his picture. Let's see what he has to say. One of the teachers push play on the computer.
We have just received news of a large island near Hawaii, headed toward California. We do not know where this floating island came from, or how it is moving east so quickly. But, based on this computer simulation, scientists say it should stop safely outside San Francisco Bay in just 2 weeks' time. This large, massive land has no people on it, no roads, no government. I have called you here to announce that this will now be our 51st state. This is a great opportunity for a fresh start. It has also come to my attention that there is a group of second graders who have studied California's coastline, understands government, and is ready for a challenge. The responsibility for planning our 51st state will be on the second graders of Bullis Charter School. I tell you now, Bullis second graders, with this great opportunity comes great responsibility. You must work together to plan the newest and best state in our country.
Thank you to those of you not yelling out. So, quiet hand if you have thoughts. We said we're going to watch a video and discuss it. What do you guys think? Yeah. Oh, actually, I can't hear him. I'm going to ask you to start again, but this time, people will be listening to you. Go for it. Okay. Okay, so the spot is something that you're noticing, where it is in relation to where we are. Yeah, what do you think? You would think that it would change the maps that we all have? Wow, interesting. One more, and then you're going to talk to your partner about what you think, not to the whole class. Yeah?
It looks like on the way it's shaped, it's not going to fit very well.
Fit?
It's going to fit like everything else is fitting, but that's just like you put something together.
Okay, so because we have a picture up there, a lot of people are making comments about the way it's shaped, the way it fits, the maps that we have that have to change. But I want you could turn and talk to a partner about what can we put on that island. Wow, nice job. That'll take us 3 seconds. Whole grade level to go from talking to quiet. I heard lots of discussion about things that you can put there that are pretty exciting. If you shared with a neighbor, or somebody said something exciting to you, and you want to share it out with the whole group, now's the time. We're going to do really quick. I'm not going to comment on the things that you say. We're just going to go super quick. Ready? Set? What do you think?
I think we can put all our resources on it.
All our resources. Yeah. Nope.
A cemetery.
A cemetery. What do you think?
Like basically anything we have in our regular budget that we have right now.
Okay. Yes.
Houses
Houses
and a room of peace.
and a room of peace. Okay. What do you think? Okay. I'm going to stop right there because if you're on this side of the room, you might not have been able to hear what she said, but she said people could live there. Thumbs up if you agree that maybe people should live in the 51st state. I'm seeing lots of thumbs up. So we should not just make the whole thing farmland, or we should not just make the whole thing a big forest. We think maybe people should live there. Seeing some nods, I'm seeing some more thumbs up. If people are going to live there, should it be a nice place to live? Probably. If there's nothing there and we get total choices about what goes there, what makes a place a nice place to live? What makes it nice? What kinds of things do you like to live by? Yeah, what makes it nice?
I would like a place to live by that has lots of flowers and plants.
Okay, so flowers, plants, maybe some green space. What do you think? More people. So not just living there by yourself. I agree. What do you think? Friends? Okay. Friends, more people, neighbors. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to say the question again. If people are going to live there, what kinds of things should we put to make it a good place to live? To make it a nice place that you want to live? What do you think?
I think you should put houses on it and streets.
Houses and streets? What else? Okay, put a school on there. Are we all going to agree about what the best thing to put there is? No, probably not. I probably have a different idea than Rowan. Probably has a different idea than anybody else. So, should we make some different plans for what goes there? Yeah, we should make some different plans. I know when my class gets back to room 20, what we're going to do is we're going to try in a smaller group to answer that same question. What makes a place desirable to live in? For our project, that's going to be the driving question. Now, to understand that, you have to know what the word desirable means. Does anybody already know that? Before we leave today, we're going to make sure everybody knows what that word means. Kevin?
Desire means sort of like wish.
Yeah, it does. Desire means wish, like something.
Desire
Okay, if desire means wish, what is a place that's desirable? Do you want to live there or really don't want to live there? You do! Yeah, you do want to live there. So the plans that we're going to make for this 51st state, it's just a place where people want to live, a desirable state. Now, one last question from me that I would like you to answer. Is anybody here as excited as I am for this? Yeah, I am super excited. We get to make huge plans. This isn't a small project. We're going to make big, big plans based on what you want, not what the teachers want. You're going to make this state that's desirable based on what you think should be in the community. You guys ready?
Yeah.